In this video I'll be showing you types of AI tools, but I'll be starting with one. I'll be showing you three. So in this video I'll be showing you one, but I'll make another video to show you the second one and the third one. Okay, so if you watched the previous video, you understand that I told you we have different categories of AI too. Okay, we have conversational AI, and I'll be building conversational AI here. We have voice agents and chatbox. Okay, so I'll be building a chat box here and this chat box, you'll be using it in your project. So it's either you use this chat box or you use the voice agent, or you use the third set of AI automation that I will still show you here. So you can't use the three of them, you have to use one, only one. Either you use the chat box, the voice agent, or the other AI automation that I'll be showing you. So now let me show you this chat box and what it's all about. Let's go to this Easy Prime Tech website. So this is Easy Prime Tech website, and you can see this thing here, this box here. This is the chat box, this is the AI chat box, and inside here we have two AI functioning here. So let me just open it. Let's say someone visits this website now and types something like, okay, they have options to select one. They can decide to select one here or write something on their own. So let's say the person just wrote something like, I selected I need a website. The AI box, which is named okay, I think this person is named Chinaza, will reply instantly. Okay, it will go back and forth with the client or the student, whoever that is chatting, to know what they want. So the AI said, great, to help you better, could you please tell me what kind of website you need. Okay, you can say something like I need a school website. So this AI will chat with the person until it gets every detail about this person, every information that this person needs, everything that this person needs. It will get it from this person and then store it for a human to see. Or it can direct this. This AI now can direct me to talk to a human being. That's not, this AI is not a human being. So it can direct me to talk with a human being. So let me tell you something like I want to speak with a human. Let's see what it will say. So he said, if you would like to speak with a human, you can chat with us on WhatsApp. So you just gave me a WhatsApp number where I can chat with. Okay, so this is how conversational AI tool works. And like I said in the previous video, chatting is not the only thing this AI tool does. It can monitor who is on the website. It can monitor what is going on, how many times the person visits the website. It can detect your IP address, where you are visiting the website from. Okay, that is why it's very risky to visit unverified websites. When someone sends you a link, you don't just click on it, because they can use that link to check your location and know where you are and get everything about you. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this thing so you learn how to build it. So there are many tools you can use to build this thing, but we'll be using Talk2. We'll be using Talk2. So you go to your browser and you search Talk2 or Talk.2, however you choose to type it, or you can just write Talk2 and then it will show up like this. You click on this button here. So it will open this page and then you get started. You sign in for free. Okay, to sign in is for free, though to do certain things in it you will be needing a token. So let's just sign in. You can choose a random name here. But when you're filling your own, don't just choose a random name. You have to put a good name. Maybe like put your name, and don't let the system choose a password for you. Put your own password. Okay, but I'll be letting the system choose a password for me because I don't need this account, so I'm just doing it to show you how it's done. So it said human verification failed, so let's verify it again. Alright, so now we are in. The first thing we are going to do is to set up our live chat. So you click on your live chat and then you put in the link for the website you want to work on. But let's say this is like the website address, the URL. But let's say you've not hosted your website yet. You've not hosted it yet. So I have a website here in my VS Code that I'll be using, but that website hasn't been hosted yet. So you can just put any link that you want. You can just put any link. Okay, since the website hasn't been hosted, you can put the name of the website, the hosting name that you wish to use when you host the website, and then you put it here. So it says what's the name of the organization. You can put the name of the company here, the company you want the AI to represent. But let's say I want the AI to represent Holy Trinity. Then you put Holy Trinity and you click on next. So here you select the color you want, just like this place. As you can see here, the AI here is has a golden color. So you select your own color. So here we'll be using blue, but I think Holy Trinity is more of dark blue, something like this. So you can select something like this if you're using this. So here you select you write a random a welcome message. You can tell them, hello, welcome to our school. Okay, and then you can create all these things you see here, like questions that you see here. Let me try and scroll up. Okay, the questions just moved out. Let's see if we can start a new conversation. Alright, so I don't want to go down there to avoid spending much time on this video, but those questions you saw here, this is how to add those questions. You can go ahead and add those questions here. You can say something like I want to enroll in your school, or you can say I want my child to write web in your school. Okay, you can write something like this, or you can write something like this. So these are the options that you're giving the parents or whoever that is visiting the website, so they can choose what they want to do, or they can type in whatever thing they want. And then here you can click here and add an image. Okay, you can click here and then you select any image of your choice. So let's just let me just pick a random image here. So this is a random image. You can pick your own image and then you click next. So since we are using this is the reason why I want us to use this particular tool, because you have to embed it with your JavaScript. It's very easy to embed. Okay, so you copy this thing here, you copy this code, just bring your mouse here and you click on copy. So when you copy it, if your VS Code is open, then you link it immediately. But if your VS Code is not open, then you just maybe bring out your notes and save this thing. You save this JavaScript script, this JavaScript code here, you save it here. Okay, so after saving it, you click on next. Please, you have to follow these steps. You have to follow it step by step. As you're watching the video you are doing it on your computer, so you can understand everything that I did. So here it says visit your website to check. You don't really, well, if your the link you added link to your website, if it's correct, you can verify. But if it's not correct yet, you can just click on next and move on. So now the live chat has been successfully connected. So let's leave this one for now. We'll still set it, but let's just skip. So here we have email address. We put the email address. We don't want to import any CV, so we click next. Already exists. So let me just add something here. Just So this is if you want to have another if you want to invite someone else, but if you don't want to, you can just keep it, take it all, so maybe next time. You don't need it all for now. So this is my dashboard. This is the dashboard where you receive everything, where you receive information about who's visiting the website and who is doing everything they're doing. Now let me open the VS Code and import the website that I want to work on. So this is the website I want to work on. Okay, so let's open the home page and show you something. Okay, let me just copy the part here. So this is the website I want to work on. So as you can see, there is no AI tool here. There is no AI tool. So what we're going to do is that link, that JavaScript link that we copied, JavaScript script here, all this code here, you just copy it. So if you already opened your VS Code and then you copy this thing from talk to, you can go straight to your VS Code and put it. So what you have to do is you put it here. You put it here, okay? You put it in between the body tag and the header tag. In between the body tag and the header tag. Don't put it inside your CSS or inside your body. Hold on, let me remove this. So don't put it inside your CSS or inside your body. Put it in between the body tag and the header tag. So you paste the code here and you save. So once you save, it will appear. So this is the mobile view. So as you can see, it just appeared here. Okay, you can see the first message, I want to enroll in your school. Second message, I want your child to write WAEC. I want my child to write WAEC in your school. So this is what the user will be seeing once they visit your website. Okay, but now the conversational part hasn't been activated yet. So even if they say anything like hello or something, they won't really get a good response. Okay, so now I just sent a message and you can hear the alarm that is coming that shows that someone just sent you a message. So you can use it to monitor who sends you a message. So now let's go back. This is your dashboard. Here you can see Nigeria. You can see my IP address. You can see the name of the website I visited. You can see how it visited. This is the link showing 127 port, meaning that this is just, this is index.html. It hasn't been hosted yet, so he's using a local host. Okay, so you can view it. You can come here to view who visited your website, and you can decide to ban the person if you don't want the person to visit your website again. So if you click ban, the person cannot visit your website again. If you click on direct message, you will see the message the person sent to you. If you click on monitoring here, you will see everything playing. Everything will be very visible. So now what we are going to do is we are going to click on this sign here, this lightning sign here. This is automation. So we click on it and then we do all the automation and all the things we need to do. So if you go back to that website now, you will realize that there is no response. Okay, there is no response here because our AI, the conversational part of this AI has not been activated. So let's just activate it. Alright, this website they do have network issues, so you have to refresh it when you're using it. Okay, so this is the automation part of it. Okay, but we'll be focusing on only what we want to do, which is to add an AI agent that talks to people on our behalf. So what we are going to do is we click on agent, this agent here. You click on agent and then you add a new agent. Now we are supposed to describe our agent. Now let's check the website and see what the website does. Now this website is it says cinematic storytelling perfected. So this is a website for cinematographers, okay, for videographers, those that snap pictures and shoot videos and all that. So we just have to create an AI agent that represents that company. So this AI we have to describe it in line with what the website does. So we have to say you are an agent in our company helping people book and so after getting all the details we need, it will what else will it do? Just say goodbye. Okay, we don't need much, so we'll just describe it here, and then it will write the actual prompt for us. This is not the actual prompt, this is just to describe it a little bit. You can describe it more if you want it to do more. Okay, so here it says describe my business. You can still go ahead and describe your business, or you can just continue and allow the AI do the job for you. So the AI will go ahead and read the pages in your website if you added a good link. Well, as you can see, I didn't add the normal link, so it's reading the pages in a very wrong website, because this philips.com is not my website. So it's reading information from a healthcare. So from a healthcare. So now let's create the agent's name. It says give your agent a name, so we can decide to give our agent a name. Now when you're giving your agent a name, give it your own name. Okay, give it your own name. For instance, if your name is Chidera, you name it Chidera, so the title will be support agent. Okay, so let's go ahead. Here you select an icon of how you want your AI agent to look for the one that looks like you. Or you can just pick anyone at random, and then I think they are all big men here. Alright, so you just click continue, or you can look at it and then you read it. If you think it doesn't go well with what your company represents, you can then talk to it and change some details here, rewrite some things, and then make it go well with what your company represents. Okay, so you click on continue and continue and continue. So now our AI agent is ready. Okay, I wrote Chidera instead of Chidera, but it's okay. So all we have to do is come to this place. You can see this place, right? And then you say hello. This is just to test it and see what's going on. So now, as you can see, it's working now. So let's go back to the website. This is the website. Let's refresh it and see what happens. Alright, so it's connected now. So let's say we select something like I want my child to write work in your school. And now if you remember, like I told you, I added a website, a wrong link that says philips.com. okay, I added a link that says philips.com, and then you read everything inside that website. It turns out the website is a healthcare website, so not this thing that I'm doing here or anything that has to do with school. So you want to read everything that is inside that website. Now it's telling me that it can't find the specific information about registering your child's WAEC. So now let's say something like I want to book a photo session. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it will recognize this information and not use the information it got from that website. Alright, cool. So it recognizes this this message here, which means is still listening to our prompts and not just all those information that he got from that website, philips.com. Now if you want to add a website, like I keep saying, don't just add any website you see. Make sure you're adding your own website. If your website is not ready, you can add any, you can just skip that part, okay, to avoid adding people's work in your own work. Okay, so now we can respond and you can talk to anybody that wants to talk to you. So you can say what do I need? So we didn't tell it to tell people price, but let's see if it will make up any price. I'm not sure it will make up any price, but let's just ask it to give us a price. So now it's asking us to give the date of the event, time of the event, location of the event, any specific requirements. You know, it's asking us for details so they can help us book an event. Okay, so let's tell it to give us their price and see what it will say. So this is all about this. So it doesn't have any information about giving price because we didn't tell it to give price. Okay, we didn't tell it to give price. Or we can just add this link, the link to this button, we can add it to the message and say if anyone books price, if anyone tries to book request for a price or tries to book it by themselves, we can send them this link. Okay, to just send them the booking.html link so they can come to this page directly and book their own and book a session for themselves. Now if you're adding this thing here, remember I added this script here. Okay, I added it here and it's working just for the home page. Now if you want it to work for every page, you have to go to every page and add it here. You go to every page and add it here. You go to the booking page and then you add it the same place that you added the first one, which is under the header before the body tag. You go to the pricing, you add it under the header before the body tag. Okay, don't add it inside your body tag and don't add it inside your header. There's a reason why you add it here. Okay, so you add it here. So this is it about this part of conversational AI tool. Now the next conversational AI tool we'll be talking about is the voice agent. I'll be teaching you how to create a voice agent that calls people on the phone. This one will not call anybody on the phone, but the voice agent will call people on the phone and get information from them. Okay, to call them on the phone, talk to them like a normal human being, and then get information from them. So I'll send that video. I'll send it today, or I'll send it tomorrow. So if you're using this one, you use this one. If you're not using this one, you use the other one. But you must use one out of the three that I'll be sending to you. So thank you very much and work on this one and let's see what you have.